If you haven't tried making small chops yourself, please don't condemn other ones. This is me trying to make small chops for the first time after Hilda Basi challenged us to do this pastry sheet ourselves. After this day, I sincerely started appreciating all the pastry chefs I know, because how can they pass through all this stress and we end up complaining about the taste? You can see the first one I tried making, it didn't come out well, so I thought it was the pan. I had to change the pan. I tried again and it was so thick. Let me not even talk about the buns you will have on your fingers. I finally did this one and it came out well, and I said no, I was going to try again tomorrow. Then I went ahead to do fillings for samosa. This is super easy. All you just need is your minced beef, onion, dark soy sauce, light soy sauce, your vegetables, curry, and seasoning. Well, depending on how rich you want it to be. Honestly, I'm not a fan of baking, but my experience in Hilda Basi's Home to Pro class made me understand that everything in the kitchen is art, which includes baking, not just cooking. So it's time for the main thing. I had to cut the pastry sheets for the samosa, added my fillings and wrapped it up. This took me approximately 4 hours to make, and here's the result. I rate this 6/10 and the taste 9/10. And this is me again trying it out the next day, because how can samosa challenge me? How can this small pastry sheet challenge me? And here's the result, guys. It came out as crackers. But I refuse to stop until I get it right. That's one thing you get as Hilda Basi student. You should never give up. Then I did this last one and the result was so good. It came out perfect, unlike the other ones I did before. I had some leftover fillings from the previous one I did, so I added sesame oil to warm it up to give it that fresh taste. So guys, this is my pastry sheet after the second attempt. This is better than the previous one. Please let me know in the comment section if there are easier way you can actually make this pastry sheet aside the brush method. And I'm using this opportunity to give a shout out to all the pastry chefs in the world. Not too much. So for this particular one, I'll be adding extra. I'll be doing the money bag, and this is just to use spring onion and a toothpick. You tie it up and use the toothpick to lock it up. So I went ahead to fry my samosa. Another thing again is knowing when to bring out the small chops from the oil, because the previous one I did was so brown. And guys, here is the result for the second attempt. I hope I did better, because this one looks better than the other one. The crunchiness of this one is so good. Just look at the fillings, very rich. I'll rate this 8.5/10. Thanks for watching. See you guys in my next video. Bye.